Hey, if you wonder how you can charge your Samsung Galaxy Watch FE, there's actually like 3 different methods to do this. So the first one, you can use the wireless charger. Put your watch on the wireless charger, and after a few moments you'll get notification like this that your device is charging. This second way to charge your watch is to use this charger that actually comes in the box. So you can plug this end, the USB-A, for example, into the charging brick from my phone. Here I have the Xiaomi charger, and this power adapter works fine with this cable. So you don't need to get the Samsung original adapter, that's what I want to say. You can use it from any other device, but also you can plug this into any other electricity device. Like for example, I can use this adapter and connect it straight into my phone, and I will be also able to recharge this. Take a look. There we go. And for sure you can still use the power banks. So here I have the Redmi power bank, and I'm not sure if it is actually charged, but you can for sure do this. Yeah, it's actually charged, so it will actually charge my phone and my watch. And this is it for this video right now. Please subscribe to my channel.